Iro-ini ria tariki 3 mweri wa 5 riria riandikitwo ni Vice Chancellor wa University ya Kenyatta Professor John Okumu, utongoria wa university wirite atongoria honge itiganite university-ini iyo ati ni maiguithanirie na arutani macoke kirathi kuma muthenya wa Jumatatu turorete. Irua riri rirugamitie orio mugomo wa arutani ya university no uria wetitio ni ngwataniro ya kuhuranira ihoto cia arutani ya university UASU makienda mishara yao yongererwo. No mubango-ini uria uronekana tari kuima UASU hinya, university ya KU iyukitie njira ya kwaraniria na murutani umwe thutha wa uria ungi na maciaro ni gucoka kirathi muthenya wa Jumatatu.
As student union, we shall not allow any attempt of the union officials to disrupt learning in our university.
They can continue with their strike, but they let education and teaching go on, because if international students, people who have been entrusted to a university, they want to continue learning and they make a decision to go to various other universities, it's a problem to our university because they are representing our universities in international levels.
Gutire kuramenyekana maundu maria me thiini wa ngirimiti ino na maria matumite arutani metikire gucoka kirathi, ona gutuika university iria ingi cierigereirwo kuiyukia njira ino handu ha gweterera UASU nine mugomo, undu uria uronekana tongioya kahinda karaya. University ya Masinde Muliro onayo nirikitie kuria arutwo macoke kirathi kuma muthenya wa Jumatatu thutha wa ngirimiti oteno na arutani ayo.
Mombasa County, Homa Bay, wale wenzangu wa kutoka Western, wale wa Garissa, wale wa Wajir, wote tafadhali jipange, shika virago vyako, tarehe Jumatatu, tarehe 7 tukutane shule.
I want to remind Uhuru Kenyatta, His Excellency the Head of State, that comrades are suffering and he should feature in the problems of lecturer strike and resolve the stalemate forthwith.
We shall never be divided, for the union makes us strong.
Mugomo uyu uthararitie mathomo university-ini ciothe cia muingi, na thutha wa nuthu ya semester kurira thi, University ya Kenyatta ikindirite ati kalenda ya githomo ndigucenjia, noguo no ta kuga ati no nginya murutwo arihe bithi yake yothe niguo aikarire kigeranio mweri wa gatandatu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.